I told you. We'll never be able to do that. Well, you are going to... I don't even know. But just get out of my way, please. Ah, man, you're telling me that pigs and birds are supposed to be together? Well, I have a plan for them. Sad pig. What is my note to destroy the birds? Your note is I don't have a single clue because I don't even know. Bye. Get your butt out of here. You're so dumb. Yo. I guess you practiced a little bit. Well, that's a good idea because I don't even know. It's hard. We've been already fighting for like 1 hour. Actually, 1 minute. If you calculate, blah blah blah. I hate math. You really hate math, huh? Yes, I hate math. I hate math. I hate math. Ow. Well, there is a slight thing. Get in the car. Get in the car? Yes, get in the car. Okay, I got in the car. Start driving. We're here. Where is this? Well, I would call it, a lair. A lair for who? Haven't you heard? There's new spy pigs. And, yeah, spy pigs. There's a spy pig? Hi-ya! Yeah, we don't know how to destroy the spy pig. What? Yeah, wah-poo! Yeah, yeah, hi-ya, yeah, yeah. Whoa, you are stupid and weird. But I'll go for it. Wait a sec. Well. Yahoo! Ow! Stop hitting me! Achoo! Yeah! Yeah! Well, that's taken care of. What will I need to do next? I do not know. My voice. Well, what do we do now? Hiya! These spy pigs don't give up. Hide! Come on, hide. Okay, now we're completely undercover. So what do we do now? I do not know. Stop asking me. No, you stop asking me. Chewbacca, signal the ship. We're taking off. What? To signal them. Beep, 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 beep. Well, what are we doing? The ship is, we're leaving. Okay. But the ship is going, right? Yeah, that's completely what's going. And that's our delivery truck. Chewbacca, what did you buy this time? I bought some stuff. Some stuff I don't need. Just shush. Okay. What are the stuff you don't need? All that's junk. It's all good, man. Oh no. Here come the spy pigs. Is this the same spy pig? No? Hiya! Yo, fix your eyes! My eyes are perfectly fine. I said perfectly. Perfectly fine. So I'm going to destroy you guys for insulting me over my eyeballs. Well, it doesn't look like you have no pupils because they're not really visible. Oh my god, you guys just shut up. I am not stupid, you know. We got our plane here, and you guys are under arrest. Oh, really? Chewbacca! Okay, that's really stupid. Okay, I am coming for you guys. Ha! Tia! Hi-ya! Yeah! Yeah! We'll take that. Oh, no! Hi-ya! Take that for a change. Hi-ya! How you like them apples? Oh! He's stronger than Chewbacca. Hiya! Oh, do Chewbacca, what do we do? Oh man, this is going hard. Sequencing teleport to high ledge. What are we gonna do on a high ledge? You know they have a plane, right? Yes, I know they have a plane. Now I have you. Now, I'm going to destroy you. Guys, there's only one way off this thing. I hope it's not jumping. It is. Ah! What the heck? Oh, man. I took the trajectory. Now, let's zoom in. Yeah! Where's Anakin? Anakin! Shut up, you fools. Hey, guys, I want to hear help. Okay, I helped you. Okay, let's do this. Hiya! Get in the car, hurry. Now let's drive out of here. Seriously? I am faster than that car. Ah, don't throw nuts at me. I parked my car, so what do we do now? Now that we're far away, what in heaven's name do we do? I don't know, but it's a pretty sophisticated journey. I think my eyeball is bleeding. No, it's just pink eye, because the pink eye goes on everywhere. Well, you are just dumb, because you don't even know anything to dig. Well, I am not the worst. Thank you. You are the worst. You're commenting on yourself. Whoa. Stop acting so cool. You're not cool. Shush. Shut up, you. Anyways, I'm going to beat you up for my life. Well, you can't do that because it's against the law. What law? The birds? Oh, yeah, we kill pigs every day. We go on a pig streak. Oh, yeah, we demolished them. But what's really important is that we don't beat up each other because we have to stick together to fight off anybody that comes in our way. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit sick. Well, you should really tough it up because there's a bunch of there's a spy pig behind us. 2 spy pigs! Give them the bazooka! The bazooka? Is that the right way? Yes, it is! The bazooka throws aluminum foil. Oh! What the? Our car just exploded! Get away! Hurry! Guys, get behind! It's shooting anything it can! I think we're safe under here. Oh no. That's good. Okay. Anyways, what do we do now? Well, I have there's always a logical explanation for everything. You sound like a brainiac. I'm not the one, stupid. You guys are so immature. But why does everybody always leave me? This is so sad. Now get them. Take that. Oh, no, no, no. Get away. Get away. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Ah, man. Launch into the air, Anakin. Well, that was a complete waste of time. At least we can finally go back home. Yeah, that's good. Well, now we can go back home. Yeah!